All right, I am excited to have received a new carriage wheel from Shopsmith. As you can see, my old one is very, very broken. I have repaired it numerous times with JB Weld, which did okay, but not a permanent solution. So looking forward to pulling this out and replacing it with the new one, which should be about as easy as it gets. You do want to be careful taking out the old one though, because the threads align to the other side, and if you pull it out, you'll just have to reline it up. That's so that when you turn it, it raises and lowers both sides at the same time, which doesn't matter if you don't have it matters like, you know, for your table saw table, you want the threads inside. Here, let me do a close up. You want the threads inside to both be moving together, and if it's not lined up, then it doesn't work. So you don't want to pull it out too far. There we go. So need to take this, I don't know, what do you call it, the handle off and reuse that. Looks like just a flathead screw on the inside. I can screw that out. I assume that'll go right into the new one. Look at that. Beautiful. Woo-hoo. Never had a working one of those on mine, so it's kind of cool though, like an old broken hood ornament or something. I might have to mount that on the wall somewhere. Maybe I'll encase it in epoxy. All right, well, thank you, Shopsmith.